The following video demonstrates a full-thickness cartilage tibial defect treated arthroscopically with the matrix-associated autologous chondrocyte implantation. A complete diagnostic arthroscopy is performed to confirm the focal tibial defect. Shiver and ring curette are used to remove the damaged cartilage completely. Any debris is then cleared with suction. A 90-degree elevator is used to scrape off the impaired cartilage borders and to create a stable cartilage socket. The defects area is carefully measured using a ruler. A template of a cartilage defect is correctly created using a cut piece of sterile foil from a standard suture packaging and sized with a Macy custom cutter oval. Hemostatic forceps is used to introduce the customized foil pouch through standard arthroscopic portals in order to verify the appropriate size and shape of the defect. After correct preparations, a yellow arthromacy cannula is placed into the anteromedial portal to facilitate the insertion of the macy implant. Now the membrane is carefully placed on a designed cutting block with its self-layer positioned facing up. Then it's sized to a correct shape with a Macy cotton oval. The membrane is carefully transferred into a Petri dish containing saline solution using a no-touch technique. A V-shuttle is modified by removing one of its two retractable arms to facilitate the placement of the Macy implant onto the chondral defect. The arthroscopy fluid is then turned off and the remainder of the case is carried out under dry scoping technique. Using a narrow diameter gauze and a small sponge device, the defect is dried. It may be helpful to displace the anterior horn of the lateral meniscus along with the adjacent soft tissue using an inside-out suture technique and pulling on the suture. The defect bed must be as dry as possible and a Fraser sucker tip can remove any fluid from the compartment. The shaped Macy membrane is then placed at the tip of the V-shuttle. A thin layer of fibrin glue is then applied at the base of the chondral defect using a spinal needle. The Macy membrane is carefully guided through the yellow cannula and gently delivered horizontally onto the defect. Finally, a thin layer of fibrin glue is applied around the edges of the membrane. After the fibrin glue has dried, the knee is passively moved through the entire range of motion to ensure appropriate fixation. The arthroscopic portals are injected with a local anesthetic and the skin is closed.